Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and my video content creating has gotten such a boost lately, not to mention has become so much more fun thanks to this HOVERAir flying camera. This camera takes incredibly stable, high quality videos, and the best thing that I love about it is that I don't need to control it. All I have to do is simply decide the kind of footage I want to take and then select the right flight path in order to achieve it. After it uses its camera to detect me, which is absolutely amazing, it simply follows the path and automatically returns to me and lands in my hand. I live in a gorgeous, scenic place full of natural beauty, and the perspective that I can capture using this camera gives me a whole new appreciation for it. It is so easy to operate and toggle through the different flight options. So far, I've really enjoyed experimenting with the bird's eye, follow, zoom out, and orbit flight paths. The HOVERAir app is really easy to use and user-friendly. It is an absolute breeze for me to learn more about the flying camera and also to download videos to be able to share them or edit them. I'm such a fan of the fact that the different flight options are so customizable. Just to name a couple, I can choose the altitude that I want this camera to fly at and also the width of the radius that I want it to fly around me. This means that I can tailor make exactly the kind of footage I want. It is so lightweight and easy to handle, I can take it with me anywhere I go. The propeller wings simply fold down for easy storage. I've been so excited to use this HOVERAir camera every chance that I get, and I'm looking forward to exploring all of the amazing possibilities of what it can capture. And that's my point of view.